Introducing the BETONELLI drive unit, the ultimate solution for the African construction industry. This powerhouse machine, weighing just 28.5 kilograms, delivers an impressive 3,000 RPM engine speed with the reliable Honda GX160 engine, boasting a max-rated power of 5.5 horsepower. But that's not all. The BETONELLI drive unit comes with special features designed to make your work easier and safer. The crane lifting hook ensures safe lifting to elevated heights, while the robust coupling sleeve guarantees a secure lock between the poker and drive unit. Our re-engineered locking pin offers better security and simplifies the installation and removal process of the poker or pump. Plus, the curved base plate prevents slipping into reinforcing steel or mesh and allows for 360-degree rotation, ensuring smooth handling on site. Upgrade your construction equipment with the BETONELLI drive unit to experience efficiency, safety, and power like never before.